Silver Beaver here. IPA is behind me. We're back on AT after a 3-month hiatus. It's good to be back on the trail, hiking from north to south.
38 miles. 38
miles. Today is Saturday, April 27th, and going to be hiking till Tuesday, April 30th. So we got a 3-nighter. See the trillium in the background. Here's one right here. Here's part of the trail today. It rained quite a bit yesterday, but you can tell the trail is pretty dry. Black Rock Overlook. Yeah, and it's very windy today, as you can tell. All right, here's the Bryant Ridge Shelter. Pretty nice. So here's home for the evening. IPA's resting, almost napping. He's got it set up in porch mode. This is my hammock. I've got it set up in porch mode as well. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday. It's April 28th. IPA and I are just getting up. Hammocks are down. So here's our little setup and the campfire. We did have the stream, of course, to listen to all night long, which was great. And we're just now getting packed up. This is not part of the trail. This is actually off the trail, but we thought we'd just come down here and do a little visit. Look at that pool of water. Nice place to camp, hang. Cove Mountain Shelter. Stop here for lunch. What do you think of this view? It's a road down in the valley. James River. It's down below. We'll be there next trip. Peaks of otter in the background. Boblet Gap shelter. All right, the shelter did not work out, so we went about 3/10 of a mile south, and we're hanging right on the edge of the Blue Ridge Parkway. IPA and I just got going, and let me show you the views we have this morning. Here's part of the trail this morning. That's where I just came from. And you see some of the flaming azaleas. I've been taking those the last couple of days. And here's part of the trail going south. Part of the trail. This is part of the bridge at the Blue Ridge Parkway. Pretty flowers, pretty wildflowers. All right, so you got flat top to the left and sharp top sort of in the middle here. There you go, in the middle. We're on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Of course, you see the Piedmont in the background. All kinds of beautiful flowers this morning. Wilson Creek Shelter. All right, here's our setup for tonight. It's our last night on the AT, this section. I've got my quilts all ready to go, hammocks up. It's supposed to rain a little bit tonight, so I've got all the stuff to make sure that I don't get wet. IPA's got his set up in porch mode, as usual. He does that quite often. Anyway, that's home for the evening. Here's a closer look at our stream that we're staying at tonight. I'm going to show you how I get water using the Be Free. I've had this now about third or fourth trip, I guess. And there we go. So the top's on it now. And that's how I get water. Of course, it goes straight into the smart water bottles. Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 30th. We're just getting started. Just made a pretty good climb out of our campsite, and you can see the sun is arising on this beautiful day. It's supposed to be warm, like 84, 85 degrees, but we got up, we got out of the campsite about 6:30. Full heart knob shelter.
The other day.
It is right on top of this mountain. We're almost to the end of our section this trip. Certainly are glad you guys can make it. As always, glad you are along with us. I know IPA and I appreciate it, and we certainly enjoyed filming this for you guys and for us. It's been a great experience for sure. But for Silver Beaver and IPA, thanks for being with us, tagging along. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. Please leave your comments if you have any. Always glad to answer questions you may have. We'll certainly see you on the next section.